we're on our way. We're on our way to Kingston to pick up or probably switch cars. Having tire issues already. So yeah, and then after that we might get breakfast. Stay tuned. Alright, so guys, we're on our way. Alright, we don't know where we're going, but you'll see if we find our way or not. Where we heading to again? Portland. Somewhere in Portland. Near Blue Mountain. I don't know the name of the river. What's the name of the river? Don't know the name of the river, but I guess we'll see. Kim, you ready? Okay. Okay. See you guys. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me, but we are at Cafe Blue. We're stopping to get breakfast. Shem? Osh. I'm trying to fix Mama. Guys, say hi. Hi. Oh, I think this is hand sanitizer. Yeah, cold. Okay, so we stopped to get breakfast, like I mentioned earlier. Part of the crew is inside, a few people outside. I have my mask in my hand, but you're here, I'm going to show you the view. Alright, so we're out on the porch. There's nobody really wearing masks around here, which is weird. I have mine in my hand.
Yeah, wow.
They can't hear me if I put it on. You guys can't hear me if I put it on. So, anyways, because they can't hear me, and she's not wearing any mask either. But here we are. Here's the view. Part of the view. So yeah, the sun is slightly coming out. I'm gonna set the camera so you can see. I really tried to get a good view. I'm not sure if I did. Shamaya, say hi. Okay, honest review. Coffee is good, but drink itself.
Tastes very cinnamon.
Too cinnamony. I had this is what, Blue Moschino. The name of this drink is Blue something.
I don't even remember what we'd ever sister. So, you know, we're here at the Blue Cafe Blue, just sipping on coffee. You know, we can't wait to get our food. Bomb! Yeah, so we're waiting for Blue Mountain coffee. Drink for Blue Mountain coffee. You know, yeah, and a sovereign with them. And a serving with it. And a serving with it. So, you know, so we're there drink it and we'll wait for the food and then we're going to go on to the next stop. We don't know where we're going to go with us, a driver, anywhere we end up, isn't it? So, see you then. Boom.
Okay, so we just passed Hollywell. We have absolutely no idea where we're going as of now. So I guess if we're lost, you'll know. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Okay guys, so we made a small stop up in the hills of Blue Mountain. I'm not really sure where we are as yet, but here's the view. I'm gonna give you a view from the front camera just now. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're in Portland and the road is freaking what? What the? So we made a small stop up in the hills of Kim. You know where we are? Cascade Hills or something like that. The team is here. Levar is taking out his drone because he wants to show the other vloggers. A joke. This waterfall was extremely hidden. I'm not sure if there was a way that you could go down there or get closer, but we didn't have the time, so maybe next time. We saw this little fella. Jamaica is so beautiful, guys. We passed another mini waterfall. It was so beautiful to look at. Okay guys, so after a long ass ride through the mountains, we are in Buff Bay. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can get a shot of the beach. But yeah, we're trying to find a river to go to. We spent like all morning just driving. I'm like so exhausted. Kimberly's in the car eating. Okay, so after driving for what felt like 4 hours? Yeah, we've been on the road since 8 o'clock and it's now 1 o'clock thereabouts. And we're finally, well, we're in Portland. We're by Blue Lagoon. Guys, we reached. Dad. Hey. Yeah, you're gonna make the walk. We have to walk there. And you never know. Look at this view, guys. Of course, every hidden spot needs a secret passageway. And after a short walk, we were there. It's so hot. Thank God we're around water. But we're finally here. Kidding. We are wrapping up.
Shamaya just squirting in water.
Shamaya, how was your day?
It was awesome.
Surprise. But yeah, let's hope we catch the pork place open. Boston Pork. I forgot I'm quarantined is 6 o'clock. But yeah. So the day is done. Yeah. Everybody knows that before you go in the car you have to do what? Wash off your foot. So that's what we're doing. We are wash off. After leaving our spot at Blue Lagoon, we headed straight to Boston Jerk. And you know pork can nice without ketchup and hot pepper. Thanks for watching. If you would love to hear from us again, just press that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe. See you next time.